How to reset your iPod Nano. Does your iPod sometimes get really slow? Don't know what to do? Just scroll down and learn how to reset your iPod Nano. Steps. 1. Take your iPod. 2. Hold down the play button and the menu button at the same time. If this doesn't work, hold the play and center button at the same time. 3. Wait for the Apple logo to appear on the screen. 4. Turn your iPod off to save the battery and to keep the device safe. Tips. Don't force anything. If it still doesn't work, go to the local Apple store. Ask a friend for help. Purchase a new iPod for the last resort. Don't get angry if it doesn't work. Just take a deep breath and try again. Warnings. Remember not to force anything or you could end up breaking the iPod. Things. iPod Nano.